pencil, crayon, felt. I'm going to use the crayon today, and we are going to do some zigzags. We're going to do some little zigzags and some big zigzags. So get your paper and either get a crayon or a pencil. Zigzags are easy. They're pointy on the top and pointy on the bottom. Zigzag. Look at the zigzag in A. I'm going to take A away. And I'm going to go zigzag. There's a point. There's a little point, and there's a little point. I like that word, point. Let's do some more zigzags. Zigzag. Zigzag. That's 1, 2, 3. 3 zigzags. Back and forth in the middle. Back and forth in the middle. Back and forth in the middle. A, A, A. A, A, A.